dashboard. Lock. That's trying to start that way. So now we unlock. Light did take a second to come on once the door opened for some reason. Nothing is showing up here on the dashboard. Key is here. Foot is on the brake. Pushing start. And now it's starting. No messages, no warnings. Unlock. Brake. That was me pushing the start button. Made that noise. Low tire pressure warning. Brake system problem. Electric parking. So we'll try again. That was in a second attempt. Same issues. So now we are going to push the power button again. Gonna lock the car. Try it one more time.